Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in CodeCombat.
We're in game development and we're gonna go to army training. So the goals are win the game, spawn 2 munchkins, spawn 2 throwers, spawn 2 soldiers, and spawn 2 archers. Spawn new unit types in these. Okay. Start level. So spawn at least 2 munchkins. Here there's a munchkin. Munchkin spawnable. It says usage codes. So we're gonna do that code. Game spawn XY spawn munchkin. Okay. Access and do 3630. Okay. And then we're gonna do it again. Game spawn XY munchkin 3630. So they spawn in the same place. Okay. Then spawn at least 2 throwers. The throwers are right here. Thrower. Let's go back to munchkin. Okay, then we're gonna do game spawn thrower. And then we're gonna do this to 35 so they don't spawn at the same place as the munchkin. Okay. Then game spawn thrower and 35. Oops. 35. Okay, so they're gonna spawn in the same place and spawn at least 2 soldiers. So we're gonna do game spawn soldier.
Okay, you just fixed the code.
There is no problem. Soldier. The soldier is right here. Soldier. Okay. Then we're going to do 29 so they still don't spawn at the same place. Then game spawn soldier. 29. Okay. Then we're going to spawn 2 archers. The archers are right here. Type archer. Okay. So game spawn archer. 28. Game spawn archer. Still 28. 8. Okay, we'll X this and
London.
Play. So right here we'll go. So they're fighting. They defeated the enemies. And we won. We got victory. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.